Hi, here I am, working from home. And in my case it means working from my father's home, as I recently bought a new apartment which is not completely ready. So I'm spending some time here. It is challenging sometimes to work at your father's place, but it's also practical and a luxury situation, I realize, because, for example, cooking is being done. And while I continue to work from home, I've been thinking about how to stay connected with you, our customer. And there's a couple of things we can do. First of all, you can check our FAQ that we created with important information about COVID-19 in regards to Tyvek. And if I haven't sent it to you already, I'm happy to do it when you give me a shout. Just let me know. Secondly, we are happy to organize webinars, to do training on Tyvek, technical stuff, regulatory, whatever you need. It's not only me, it's my colleagues all around the globe that offer the same service to you. And I'm also wondering how you, our customer, is looking at the way to stay connected. And therefore we have posted a survey on LinkedIn. And it only takes a couple of minutes to complete, and it will give us some guidance in how to stay close to you in these times. That's all I have to say for now. I wish you lots of health, stay safe, take care, and hope to see you soon in real life. Bye bye.